TVJ, Wagi sa Iat Bulaga, Trademark Case, Tape Inc., nga. Sina Tito Soto, Vic Soto at Joey De Leon, ang tunay na nagmamay-ari ng titulo at trademark ng noontime show na Eat Bulaga at EB, ito'y matapos na kanselahin ng Intellectual Property Office o IPO ang trademark registration ng Television and Production Exponents o TAPE, Inc., sa Eat Bulaga at EB. Sa inilabas na desisyon ni Attorney Josephine Alon, Adjudication Officer ng Bureau of Legal Affairs ng IPO, nabatid na hindi napatunayan ng TAPE kung paano nila nabuo ang Eat Bulaga mark. Kinatigin din ng IPO ang naging paliwanag at testimonya ng mga petitioners na sina Tito, Vic and Joey o TVJ, kung paano nila nabuo ang Eat Bulaga. Registrant, for their part, did not refute nor contradict this statement on how petitioners coined the term Eat Bulaga as title for a noontime show in 1979. In fact, respondent registrant even corroborated with petitioner's explanation by averring after their engagement, "We thought of the name of the noontime show. I submitted several names to Romy including Eat Bulaga which was suggested by Joey," ang bahagi pa ng resolution. Sa mga hindi pa aware, ang Romy na tinutukoy sa resolusyon ay si Romy Haloshos, may-ari ng TAPE na siyang producer ng longest-running noontime show sa bansa na napapanood ngayon sa GMA7. Romy chose the name Eat Bulaga amongst the name in the list. Further, consistent to being true owner of the Eat Bulaga mark, petitioners applied for registration of the mark with the Intellectual Property of the Philippines in February 2023 for classes 16, 18, 21, 25 and 41. Considering that petitioners are the owners, they have absolute and exclusive right to register the Eat Bulaga mark and all variations thereto including sublect mark Eat Bulaga and EB mark, under its name, ang nakasaad pa sa dokumento mula sa IPO.